What is up, guys? So today I wanted to customize this backpack, and in my head I just wanted to have a simplistic Sailor Moon character on the front of the backpack. Now if you guys know who Sailor Moon is, you guys already know that the Sailor Moon anime has been really influential in its entire existence. So in my head I thought, you know what, it would be really cool if I can just customize Sailor Moon, the character, on the middle of this backpack. So this is what this custom is going to be. Now all the materials I use from the paint and all that, like I always say in my videos, that will be in the description below. So if you guys want to know what type of colors of paints I use, the materials, that will be in the description below. If you do like this custom and my other customs, please do subscribe. Like I said before, please do share this video, please do like this video, and without any further delay, let's get straight into this custom. Alright guys, as you can see, I've just finished painting the base layer on the character. The next step for me to do is to start actually adding on the details, things like capturing her facial expression, painting in on her eyes, as well as adding on the shading on her hair, her clothing, as well as on the cat, and also start putting in highlights on the area on her clothes as well as the cat to really create that sense of realism and capture her facial expression. So let's move on to that. So guys, this is what the final version of the custom looks like. Obviously I wanted something very simplistic. Obviously I just wanted Sailor Moon and the cat on the surface. I didn't want anything in the background. Now if you guys do like this custom, please do like this video. Please also subscribe and check out my other customs that I do. There'll be an icon right there in the corner, and you can check out my other Air Force One custom that I did. You can also check out this custom that I did on the left hand side of this video. You can check out the whole entire video, and you can also like that video if you do like it. So I'm not gonna drag this video out any longer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.